Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you science experiment sound waves. You're going to need some salt. You're going to need a bowl with saran wrap on top of it. You're going to need a pan and a spoon, plastic or wooden, and that's all you need for it. Okay, so after you make sure that your saran wrap is nice and tight on your bowl, you are going to want to take your salt and sprinkle a little bit on top, not a ton. And then you're going to have your pan and your spoon just right here with you. Alright, so now that you have everything set up, all that you need to do is just hit this kind of repeatedly on here and you'll be able to see the sound waves. Did you guys see all the salt moving? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Check out our other video about waves, water and liquid. Bye!